Do girls also make fake Facebook profiles just to stalk any guy?
Yeah, they do.
That's true.
Yeah, they absolutely do.
I know girls who don't make profiles to stalk boys but to harass girls.
Harass girls. Are you one of them? Hello and welcome back to India's only street interview YouTube channel that takes your comments to the streets. A very warm welcome to Quick Reaction team, and I'm your host Pranoy. So this week we've taken your comments to the streets once again. Questions like, do girls make fake Facebook profiles just to stalk any guy? By the way, आपके कितने fake profiles हैं? Alright guys, without wasting any time, sit back, relax and watch this episode till the end. Do girls also make fake Facebook profiles just to stalk any guy?
Yeah, I'm sure. Especially if they have an ex.
Yes.
Yeah, I guess.
WhatsApp is better.
I'm not done, but I've heard a few girls do it, so yes, they do.
Yeah, I have a fake account on Facebook. Yeah.
Confession time, okay? और क्यों बनाया फिर?
Basically, I was stalking my best friend.
Okay. I don't have fake profile.
No, stalking is rather done through a friend's ID, an actual friend's ID. So yeah, we don't make fake profiles, but we get the password of other actual profiles.
Professional people.
Yeah.
So how many fake profiles do you have?
I don't have even one.
None really? Are you being honest?
Yeah, absolutely. I don't have a Facebook profile.
आप लोगों ने बनाया कभी fake profile?
No, but I know one of my friends, she did this.
She did that?
Yeah.
Why?
She wanted to stalk her ex-boyfriend.
Do you have any fake profiles?
No, I don't have the energy.
I don't have anyone.
Are you being honest?
Yes, completely.
I don't have, but I know my friends who had. So
ये
that's
सब
why.
यही बोल रहे हैं यार, जिस भी लड़की से इंटरव्यू करो
नहीं, मेरे को नहीं है।
फेक प्रोफाइल है ना?
होगा obviously.
कभी बनाया था वैसे?
नहीं.
कभी भी नहीं. अच्छा. आपके कितने फेक प्रोफाइल्स हैं?
नहीं यार बोर हो गया. पहले था पेज था.
पेज ही था.
Next level.
Next level.
No, I do not have any, but I know many of guys who have Angel Priya as their fake account. So
Not exactly to stalk someone, but yes, I have 3.
So it's not just guys जो fake profile बनाते हैं, लड़कियां भी बनाती हैं.
बनाती है. It's very much common. I don't think so. It's a big deal.
So according to you, should prostitution be legalized in India?
Yeah, it should be.
Absolutely.
I guess it should.
Yeah, it can be. It should be.
It should be.
It should.
And why?
It's upon a woman's discretion what she wants to do with her body, and if she wants to use it for money, then why not go ahead and do it? Just the government should have laws that there shouldn't be any forcing or not child prostitution or any such thing. But legalization is totally valid because it is, after all, an individual choice.
Yes, I think it should be legalized because it is happening. Everyone knows that. Might as well legalize it, give them some protection. Okay, the point still stays that it's the woman who wants to do this stuff, and if she is okay with it and she's getting paid for it, then why not?
So basically, my sister visited this place, Bangkok, and there the prostitution is legalized. And she told me that there prostitution is not seen as something evil or something that, yeah, exactly. So like here, prostitution is treated as something bad, you know, that a girl who's a prostitute is treated in a very different way than a normal person.
What difference, what change would it bring to the society?
It would at least curb the trafficking.
It will generate income for the women.
Yeah, employment. Main thing, employment.
In Bangkok, they have this thing that if a guy signs a thing that, you know, okay, fine, I'll be paying you for a night. If they do not pay, if they fail to pay, then they are put in jail.
The specific laws.
There are rules and laws, so that is something that will be nice for them.
Not everyone is qualified enough to get a job, and even those who are qualified don't get jobs today. So if people want to go ahead and choose such a mode, then why not? It will help the society because then there will be a little less number of antisocial elements going and, you know, snatching and stuff, the petty thievery to make both ends meet.
There's a lot of judgment that society passes, and maybe a lot of people are doing it out of some sort of necessity, like, you know.
It's always, you know, necessity. I'm sure
Yeah.
a very low percentage actually chooses to
Exactly.
sell themselves for sell their bodies for money.
That rape cases can also reduce. I mean, once if the prostitution gets legalized.
Yeah, actually it will. It will.
Yeah, it could definitely. It could.
Because it will then eventually then the you know, overpowering sex drives of men could be satisfied if it is legalized.
It would actually not affect us that much, but I think it would affect the people who are into the profession a lot because it will give them that courage to speak it out that yes, it is a profession for them and they would not be mistreated or be judged in a wrong way.
If it's a choice and if it's like a career option for somebody, then why not? I mean, why do we have to impose our moral judgment on people? So yeah, absolutely, it should be legalized.
Hope you all enjoyed our today's video. Go and press that like button right now and make it go blue. And click here and let us know that what you guys think, that do girls really make fake Facebook profiles. Follow us on our Instagram page to see all the behind the scene pictures and videos of the shoot. Now check out the super cool feature on your mobile phone. So tap here to see our last video and click here to see one of the best videos of QRT and click on the circle so that you can subscribe to our channel and you can get all our fresh videos first on YouTube. I'm gonna see you guys every Tuesdays and every Fridays 4 PM with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, take care and goodbye.